In this video, I'm going to show you the best method to fix lag and stutter in CS2. So first thing you want to do is go to Steam, and here you will find your game, and you would right click and then go to properties. So here I will do the example using another game. You can do the same thing to Counter-Strike. So you'd right click on Counter-Strike, then go to properties, and then go to installed files and click verify integrity of game files. So this might take a few minutes to finish, and once you're done, you can close this down. Next thing you want to do is you want to close this down and go here and type in run. Now here you want to type in %temp and press enter. Here you want to Control A and select all folders and right click and delete them. These are unnecessary folders and you can safely delete. Next you want to go to this PC, and here go to C drive. Down here go to Windows and then go to prefetch. Here Control A and then right click, and you can safely delete all of these folders, and you don't have to worry about any of your personal data being deleted. So once you do this, you can just go to disk cleanup, and here you want to click OK and select all of the unnecessary folders, then click OK, and this will clean your disk. And lastly, you want to open CMD. Here we will run some commands. So first command is basically to clean the health of the DISM. So type in DISM online cleanup image restore health, and then sfc/scannow. And once it finishes scanning, this should fix your issue.